The beauty and brilliance of cabinet layout in this Japanese-style tiny home interior lies in its ability to transform a limited space into an elegant, efficient, and livable environment. Every cabinet is carefully positioned with intention, blending seamlessly into the overall design while maximizing function in the most compact of areas by utilizing vertical lines, recessed compartments, and hidden storage features. The layout maintains a clean, minimalist aesthetic without sacrificing practicality, and the smart arrangement ensure that each piece of furniture serves multiple functions. From storage to seating to visual positioning, creating a home that is both visually pleasing and highly functional. This level of design sophistication enables the tiny home and to become more than just a temporary shelter. It becomes a comfortable long-term living solution. The thoughtful integration of cabinetry into the structure of the home supports daily activities while preserving openness and harmony. In essence, the cabinet system is not just storage, it's the core of the home's elegance and effectiveness.